Part 3 of the flat roofing. Remember that hole you seen here yesterday? Nice piece of plywood there. Build it up, level it up. Finish vacuuming all the dirt with the heavy duty shop vac. Matt, what are you doing? Taking out nails?
Shop vac is a brand, eh?
Oh, okay. We don't endorse that with the vacuum.
We don't endorse that.
Unrolling the first roll of flat roofing. Got to cut it, measure it.
First one will be the measure.
And this is Hillbilly Asians. We are cutting a hole in the material so we can fit that pipe right there. That's a pretty good X, I must say. Very nice.
I have a
Hillbilly Asians Part 3, torch down. That's how you get it done.
Oh yeah, cooking. We're in the kitchen cooking up on the naan bread.
We're cooking up the naan bread. Yo, are you cooking up the naan bread?
Yep. I'm in the kitchen cooking up on the naan bread.
Yo.
Gotta cut around the edge here. Around this brick. Cut it.
Master seamstress work right there.
Yeah.
First 2 rolls laid down there, hillbilly style. Looking pretty damn good, I must say. Are you cooking up the naan bread? Are you cooking up the naan bread?
Oh yeah. We're making rolls today. Chocolate rolls.
Hashtag all lives matter.
Gotta roll it up. Try to get it even. Try to get it nice and even like that. Meet in the middle. See, let's try to get it nice. We'll roll this side. See? Not even.
Roly poly. Hillbilly Asians roofing is coming down to an end. Looking pretty damn good. Probably another roll. And then capping.
Not bad for a couple hillbillies.
Not bad for a couple hillbillies.
Oh yeah.
Matt's been cooking up the naan bread all day. Hillbilly Asians coming down to the end of the job. Cutting in the last slice there. Looking good. What do you think of the job? Hillbilly Asian stuff, flat roof.
It's not bad. Not bad. Considering what it is. Hey, for $300.
For $300 in material, flat roof is done. Almost. We just got the cap to go and it's hillbilly style. Hillbilly Asians.
Yeah.
We're done for the day. He wants to do the capping tomorrow, but all the major part is done, as you can tell. Pretty awesome.
What are you talking to the audience?